Children, population as a resource is important for the economic, social, and cultural development of any country. Rather than population numbers, it is the quality of population which is important. Along with the percentage of literacy, sex ratio, and age groups, health educational levels are also considered while thinking of population as a resource. The supply of skilled or unskilled labor depends on the quality of population. So, children, in the earlier exercise on page number 42, you notice that there was an increase in population in towns. That only means that there was a growth of population, but can you say anything about the development of those towns? If there are no houses for this increasing population, no adequate drinking water, then of what use in this growth only? In those towns, for how many people have additional drinking water made them available? How many children have started attending school? Or in which city are the people happier? Growth does not mean development. Then how can development be measured? So, children, for many decades, only a country's gross national product was used for measuring development. It was assumed that the greater the economic prosperity, the more the development of a country. But this does not mean that the people are happy with the quality of life in that country. In earlier development is related to the quality of life and the opportunities available here and freedom. Children, in the decade of 1980 to 1990, Mehboob Huq and Amartya Sen put forth the concept of Human Development Index. United Nations National Programme UNDP publishes a list of countries based on HDI scores every year. So, children, here you have come to know about population as a resource, and also you have come to know that children, here I want to discuss about gross national product. What is gross national product? Gross national product, that is GNP, is an indicator of the economic activities of a country. It is the value of the goods and services produced by the citizens of a country. This includes the incomes of the citizens, incomes of the national companies located in foreign countries, but does not include the income of the foreigners generated in the country. So, children, what is gross national product? Gross national product is an indicator of the economic activities of a country. So, here, children, you have come to know about population as a resource, and Rather than population in numbers, it is the quality of population which is important, along with the percentage of literacy, sex ratio, and age group. Health, educational levels, etc., are also considered while thinking of population as a resource, and the supply of skilled or unskilled labor depends on the quality of population. So, children, here you have come to know population as a resource, and also you can get an idea about gross national product.